Hello and welcome to Sanam's Kitchen. Today I'll be sharing with you two ways of making onion pakora. This is a perfect tea time snacks and I'm going to show you two ways of making it. So let's get started. Here I have 2 onions, 2 cups of besan, salt, chopped coriander, chopped green chilies, coriander seeds, turmeric powder and garam masala powder. So I'm going to chop the onions like I'm going to slice it and then I'm going to chop lengthwise like this. So we have rings like this and we have some chopped onions. So now I'm going to take a basin or gram flour, add all the spices, coriander seeds, chopped chilies. Now you can adjust the chilies, and salt, and adding little water at a time. We are going to make lump-free batter. So now I'm going to dip the slices in, coating really well, and I'm going to fry it on medium heat until it's golden brown. See how beautiful it looks. And for the remaining batter, I'm going to add all the chopped onions, coat them really well, and I'm going to drop like a spoonful sizes, and this will make a beautiful pakoras. Now fry until it's nicely golden. It's perfect tea time snack. So my pakoras are ready. Now I'm going to take it out on a paper towel. Now you can serve this with your favorite chutney and tomato ketchup. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and have fun.